Welcome. This video is an introduction to the playlist that it's attached to. What we're going to do is walk through several different products, how they work, and how you can select the best ones for you. I'm going to do my best to keep each video under 5 minutes. That's why I wanted to do this introduction separately. We are going to go through sizing. I'm sorry, I thought I had those right beside me so I could show you. We will walk through sizing and making the best selection for yourself and how you can figure out at home how to size for yourself. It's been very challenging these last few months to help people choose the right size because everyone's at home or not at events, things like that. So it's, I think, long overdue for me to get this together so that you can pick the best products for yourself. And if you have any questions or still need assistance, I will make myself available and we'll do what we can to find the best products. Enjoy the videos. On any of those videos, let me know what you need help with or have questions about. All right? Thanks and enjoy.